Okay, so now we're working on the frosting. For the frosting, we're going to take our white yarn and we're going to begin with a magic ring. For the magic ring, we're going to insert 6 single crochets into that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for round 2, we're going to do an increase into each stitch. So that's 2 single crochet into each single crochet for a total of 12 single crochet at the end. Okay, now for round 3, we will do a single crochet, and in the next stitch we will do an increase. And that'll be our pattern all the way around. So the next stitch, a single crochet, and then the next stitch, an increase. So you should have 18 stitches all the way around. Okay, so for the last round, we are going to do 5 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches for a total of 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all in the first single crochet. Now in the second single crochet we will do 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will skip the next single crochet, so there it is right here. We will skip that. In the next one we will do 5 single crochet in the next 2 single crochets again, and that'll be our pattern. Skip this one, work in the next one, 5 single crochet. And then in the next one, the second one, 5 single crochet. Then we will skip the next single crochet, and in the next 2, 5 single crochet in each. So skip this one, work in the next, 5 single crochet. And in the second one, 5 single crochet. And then we will skip the next stitch and work in the next 2, 5 single crochet. So we'll do that all the way around. I will meet you there. Okay, so here I am at the end. To finish it off, we're just going to do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. Like that. And there we have our frosting. So we're going to cut it and begin the next part. So now we're going to work on the strawberry. For the strawberry, we're going to take our red yarn, and again we're going to start with a magic ring, and inside that magic ring we are going to work 4 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4. For round 2, we are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to flip it inside out. So I'm flipping it inside out so that we have the right side facing us. And then I'm just sticking the tail inside the body. For round 3, we're going to increase into each stitch. So 2 single crochet in each stitch. So at the end of round 3, you'll have 8 stitches all the way around. For round 4, we will do a single crochet and then an increase all the way around. So the first single crochet, you will do a single crochet. The next one, you will do an increase. And then we will repeat that pattern. The next single crochet, we will do 1 single crochet in the next, and then in the next one, an increase. Okay, so at the end of round 4, you will have 12 stitches all the way around. For round 5, we will do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. For round 6, we will do the same thing, 1 stitch in each single crochet all the way around. For round 7, we will do a single crochet in the next stitch, followed by a decrease in the next stitch. For a decrease, we will insert our hook into the front loop of the first stitch, into the front loop of the next stitch, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's the pattern we will do all the way around. A single crochet in the next stitch, and then in the next stitch, or in the next 2 stitches, a decrease. Insert yarn, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So here I am, I've stuffed the strawberry. So for the final row, we're going to do a decrease all the way around. So insert your hook into the next 2 stitches into the front loop, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're just going to cut the yarn, put it onto a tapestry needle, and we're going to insert the needle into the very top of this strawberry here and pull it through to the side. This. Leave the tail here because we're going to attach the tail to the body of the cupcake. So now let's work on the leaf. For the strawberry leaf, we're going to start with a magic ring, and inside that magic ring, we're going to do 5 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. For round 2, we are going to do a single crochet into the first single crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. If you look here, we have 2 loops right here. Insert your hook into that and complete a slip stitch. So that creates a picot. So for the next stitch, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start with a single crochet, After the single crochet, we're going to do chain 3. Then we see the 2 lines right here. Insert your hook into there and complete a slip stitch. And then in the 3rd stitch, we're going to do the same thing. Start a single crochet, chain 3, insert your hook, and complete a slip stitch. In the next stitch, we will do the same thing. Single crochet, chain 3, insert your hook, complete a slip stitch. And in the final stitch, we will do the same thing. Single crochet, chain 3, insert your hook, complete a slip stitch. Okay, and then into the 1st stitch of the round, we will just do a slip stitch. And then we will cut it off, and that creates the leaf for our strawberry. Then to just finish it off, I have my tapestry needle on this tail here. I'm just going to stick it through the center of the leaf so that it matches with the first tail that we began with. And then from there, just tighten the tail, and we will just attach that to the strawberry. For the strawberry, onto the whipped cream here, we're just going to stick the tail through the center and pull it through. Then we're going to take the center tail of the whipped cream and the strawberry and just tie it together. Now all we're going to do is just sew it onto the top of our cupcake. Just sew it there. I'm just going to add some blush to the cheeks. So I'm going to take my pink yarn, insert into the first one. I'm going to pull it through all the way to the end, to the second one where there's 2 holes. Leave the tail out, insert it into the next one, and then pull it out this one. That's going to create 1, 2, So here we are with our finished cupcake. This is what it looks like. And then here is the other one that I made. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out my other videos on my channel and subscribe for more videos.